What's up guys, Shane Stars here. In this video, I'll be partnering with Sublue to take a look at the BlueNexus Pro. This is one of the most advanced pool robots that I've tested. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this out of the box and see what all we're working with. Right up top, we've got a quick user guide showing us how to set this up for the first time. There was a cap taped to the inside of the box. We've got our charger. This is a retrieval hook. This is your Wi-Fi extender. So this actually floats on top of the pool so that way your robot maintains a good internet connection. That has been a problem with other robots in the past where when they're actually cleaning, you can't control them because they have no signal because they're underwater. So this solves that problem. We've got our user manual. Let's take a closer look at the BN Pro. So right up front here, you've got your double roller brush that's going to help to pick up debris and scrub the pool walls. Up top here, you have your control panel. So you can control this with the app, but you can also control it manually. You've got your power button, your mode selection, and how many times you want this to run and clean your pool. Right here, you've got your ultrasonic sensor and infrared laser sensor. This is going to help to create a map of your pool, making a super efficient cleaning plan so that this can clean your pool quickly and efficiently. Right here, you've got your filter cartridge. All right, so you've got a dual layer filter here. This is able to pick up your leaves, sand, and other debris, and it will store it here. Up top here, you also have your propeller. This is where you're gonna charge it, and then this is where you will connect your communication device. Over on the side here, you've got Caterpillar wheels. These are able to easily traverse the floor of your pool and also the walls of your pool. Using the BlueNexus Pro is very easy. This is a cordless solution, so you don't have to worry about battling hoses or power cords or anything like that. Simply select the mode on either the machine or within the smart app and then place it in the pool, and it begins doing all of its work. This machine has 5 different modes. So you have the smart clean mode. This is what I would recommend for the first cleaning. When you put this in your pool, it automatically begins to map out your pool, creating a map that it will save for later use. Not only does it have that smart mode where it can map out and clean your pool, it also has a floor mode. So if you only want to clean the floor of your pool, you can do that. And then it has a wall mode. So if you just need to clean the wall and water line of your pool, you have that option. It has an option to clean both. And then you can actually control this unit from your smartphone. So maybe you have just a problem area in your pool that you want to pick up some debris real quickly. You can actually use this like a little remote control car and maneuver this over to that area. That's not only fun, but it's also super convenient. To me, one thing that really stands out and gets me excited about the BlueNexus Pro is this little communication device. So this actually has a little communication device buoy, I guess you could call it, that floats on the water surface, and it connects to the robot, which is under the water surface. This allows you to keep constant connection with the robot even when it's underwater, even if it's in the deep end. So I've tested many other robotic pool cleaners, and one common issue is when they're underwater doing their job, you cannot control them from your smartphone. With a communication buoy, you can still control the unit from your smartphone and you can watch its progress as it cleans your pool. This uses Sublue's proprietary GeoGuru technology, which infuses AI to map out your pool. This combines ultrasound and infrared laser technology coupled with an AI underwater positioning navigation algorithm, allowing the BlueNexus Pro to take a very accurate map of your pool. This even includes intelligent obstacle avoidance, so it's able to adjust and turn before ramming into the walls. This can definitely come in handy, especially if your pool has a less sturdy liner that you need to protect. The robot can then utilize either a spiral pattern for ultimate efficiency. It's able to clean your pool 3 times faster than traditional pool robots that kind of just bump their way through your pool with no plan. Or this can use industry-leading S-Path planning to ensure thorough cleaning of your floors, walls, and water lines. The BlueNexus Pro is one of the most powerful pool robotic vacuum systems that I've seen, utilizing a 3-in-1 cleaning process. So it does have dual brushes on the front, which scrub your pool's floor, wall, and water line, removing stubborn debris. The powerful 120-watt motor is able to process 18 cubic meters per hour or 4,755 gallons per hour, creating very powerful suction that can not only remove leaves, sand, and grit, but also even pebbles and stones from your pool's bottom. The dual filtration system catches everything and is able to filter particles as fine as 70 ultramicrons. This means that sand and even hair is no match for this vacuum system, and out of all the vacuum systems that I've ever tested, I've never seen one to capture as much hair as this vacuum system. So that filtration system is doing a great job here. The Caterpillar wheels give this unit extra traction and maneuverability. This is easily able to scale pool walls, clean water lines, and traverse different types of slope. This is even able to climb and clean steps, which is definitely an added benefit. And the extra traction and grip from the Caterpillar wheels means that this is able to stick to the pool bottom while cleaning, ensuring a better suction power and more efficient cleaning. The BlueNexus Pro has incredible battery life with a 28,600 milliamp hour battery. You're gonna be able to get 180 minutes of cleaning time with this pool robot. You'll easily be able to complete an entire cleaning of most pools out there and can even run it a second or third time on the same charge. When this is finished cleaning, it will alert you in the app and it will go and park by the side of the pool. From there, you can press the lift button inside the application. It will actually scale the pool wall, and you can very easily retrieve this and take this out of the pool. With super fast charging, you can fully charge this from 0 to 100% in just 3.5 hours. The BlueNexus Pro features one of the most thorough applications that I've seen for a smart pool robot. Of course, this is where your pool's map will be stored. This is also able to give you information like water temperature, and you can do things like schedule cleanings, view cleaning logs, and control the BlueNexus Pro right there from your smartphone. If you're looking for a high-end smart pool robotic vacuum cleaner, that is going to be able to clean every part of your pool, including the pool bottom, walls, and water line, then this is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can find out more information about the Sublue BlueNexus Pro and where you can purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.